Hello, dear friends. Today I will be talking about moods. What happens is we look at our experiences in a short time span and we decide our mood accordingly. If things have worked the way we wanted and things are cheerful, our mood is happy. However, if things go wrong and not according to our expectations, our mood gets spoiled and we are in a bad mood. If all is okay and you're in happy mood, it's good, but I will talk about when you are not in a happy mood. Friends, what happens is that we have lots of expectations all the time, and supposingly in the morning you want to wear a shirt to office and suddenly you find that it is not home, the washerman has not brought it. You want to take breakfast from home, but the maid has not come. You start your car, the car doesn't start. And so many small things keep happening which are disturbing. And what happens is we let our mood get spoilt by all these things. Well, it's so easy to spoil our mood, but nobody likes to be near a person who is in a bad mood, because that bad mood is infectious. It spreads to other people. You all know that if the boss is in a bad mood, the whole office eventually becomes a place with people with bad moods. So what we have to do is, we have to do two things. First of all, we have to avoid getting into that mood, about which I will talk now. So if your shirt is not there, you wear something else. Find a solution to the reason of your bad mood. Your car doesn't start, call an Uber. You can eat in the canteen. There are ways in which you can solve small problems instead of spoiling your mood. The other thing that I want to say is that supposing you are in a bad mood for some reason, how to get out of it? Friends, you should never go on and on with a bad mood, because nobody likes to be with people who are in a bad mood. At home, kids will always say, oh, don't talk loudly, Papa is in a bad mood. Don't start the TV, Mama is in a bad mood. So people are getting affected because of your bad mood. Now, what should you do? Friends, the most important thing what you should do is, don't be alone. When you're alone with a bad mood, your mood keeps on and on and on, and it makes you feel more miserable. So you need distraction. You have to step out. You need to meet people. You need to go out. Even if you don't meet people, you have to look out. Look at the road, see the traffic, go to a park, see the children playing there. If that's not possible, go out to a coffee shop or a mall and see the activities there. These distractions, friends, will help you in pulling you out of that bad mood. The rest, I'm sure, you can find ways and means and always escape from a bad mood. Thank you very much.